But how do you start exactly? I mean, if you're sitting here, you're thinking, I have some ideas. I like cooking, or I maybe want to have a channel for my pets. But what if I have no idea? And these are some of the slides that I took from the Future channel. Recently, I got into this channel. I think the creator has a lot to share. And think about, start with what do you do? Why does it matter? And how does this benefit and create value, not for yourself, not just for yourself, but for other people? So one way to on ramp to that would be to think about, what are some of the things you know today that you didn't know yesterday, last week, last year? If you're in a profession, you may be in mid-management or you're a senior associate, what are some of the things that you know today that you didn't necessarily know years ago? There's something that we can teach to everyone. And last bullet, how else might we achieve this? And I really like this list because it is a pretty busy list right here. So there are a lot of really popular types of contents on YouTube. So if anybody here who is not creating on YouTube yet, but you're a consumer, you take a look at the channels that you subscribe to. You gotta start slowly or quickly notice that there is a pattern. So look at this, look at all of this that's getting very popular right now. Van life came alive during the pandemic. Home office decor. Yes, many of us are working from the office. That's why we're doing this virtually right now. And faster internet, Wi-Fi, Zoom, or just virtual meetings in general, home gyms, fitness equipments. You can virtual everything, neighborhoods. So there are a lot of ideas that you could sort of tap into right now. And but before we get too crazy, one thing maybe you won't experience right away, but as you get deeper into YouTube, there's something that's really important to keep in mind. And I think this statement right here is true not just for content creation, but just for overall how we live our lives as content creators. You are more than what you make. What you make, these videos, these podcasts, is a byproduct of who you serve, how you help improve the lives of other people, and the value you generate.